Alright, so Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Rizky with my last student ID number is 051. So today I will present an article entitled The Impact of Writing Anxiety, Writing Achievement Motivation, and Writing Self-Efficacy on Writing Performance, a correlational study of Iraqi tertiary EFL learners. This article was written by Ahmed Abdulatif Sakti et al., and it was published at 2019. The purpose of this presentation is to discuss the study's abstract, research objective, methodology, key finding, and conclusion based on the article structure. Alright, so let's talk about it. The first one, we have abstract summary. So the main topic of this study is examine individual differences in writing anxiety, writing self-efficacy, and writing achievement motivation in the Iraqi EFL context. The study discovered that the higher writing anxiety levels is associated with a poorer writing performance. Conversely, higher writing self-efficacy and writing achievement motivation levels lead to better writing performance. Then the next slide is research objective. The primary aim is to identify the level of writing anxiety, writing achievement motivation, and writing self-efficacy of Iraqi EFL undergraduate students and to examine writing performance across these variables. Additionally, the study seeks to determine the interrelationship between writing anxiety, writing achievement motivation, and writing self-efficacy among the students. The next slide is about methodology. The researchers employed a quantitative approach, specifically a correlational design. The sample of the study based on 100 Iraqi undergraduate students majoring in English language, and these participants were randomly selected from two Iraqi public universities. And the tool for data collected is from four instruments. First one, we have questionnaire SLWAI, and then questionnaire WSPS, and the third one is questionnaire AGK, and the last one is descriptive writing test. And the next slide is about key findings. Based on the article, I found there are three key findings. The first one, high anxiety lead to low writing scores. There is a significant difference in writing performance between a three level of writing anxiety, low, moderate, and high, where students with a high level of anxiety showed a low writing performance. And then the second finding is student with high motivation write better. There is a significant also difference in writing performance between three levels of writing achievement motivation. And the last finding is about very strong and positive relationship between writing self-efficacy and writing achievement motivation. And then the conclusion from this article is writing is not just about grammar, it is about how the student feels. Teachers should give a positive feedback to make students less nervous. Writing is perceived as both a cognitive and a emotional activity, meaning it is a strong associate with a affective factor like anxiety, self-efficacy, and motivation. The study suggests that learners' belief regarding their writing capability should be fostered by providing positive feedback from teachers and peers to minimize anxiety. And then the last part is personal reflection. So I personally found this article is interesting because it highlights that technical grammar skills alone are not enough. Emotional and mental state drastically shape our writing outcomes. And this topic is highly relevant to my current studies as it reminds me as future educators to provide a supportive environment, supportive classes that builds student confidence and to make a student feel free to express their idea. All right, so I think that all for my presentation video. So thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.